One of the services we offer at Natural Medical Solutions is hyperbaric chamber. Hyperbaric chamber is very effective for stroke victims, heart conditions, any type of circulatory issues is part of it. Athletes does very well with hyperbaric chambers, just the same. The benefits of using hyperbaric chamber is as follow. Many clients who comes into the practice comes in with a lot of health information toxins within their cells. Also, oxygen factor, getting the body back into balance. Hyperbaric chamber help to rejuvenate cells within the body.